Hi everyone, today we're going to be making shrimp and bacon sous vide egg bites. Alright, to get started we're going to have 3 strips of bacon, which we're going to bake in the oven. We're going to go ahead and put our bacon in the oven for about 10-15 minutes till it's crispy on both sides. We're going to go ahead and heat our pan up and spray a little olive oil in the pan to cook the shrimp. Next, we're going to sear our shrimp on both sides. Try not to overcook. Next, we're going to peel our shrimp and then cut each shrimp into 4 pieces. Here we want to cut our red and green pepper into small pieces. Same for the bacon. We're going to cut our bacon, 3 pieces of bacon into small pieces. Today we're going to be using the Dash Sous Vide Egg Bite Maker. You guys can grab it online at Amazon and a department store. Here we're going to crack our 6 or 7 eggs. Next, we want to whip the eggs to make it easier to pour into the egg bite containers. Then we always want to make sure we spray a little olive oil in each container so it doesn't stick to the container. Next, we want to start putting each of our items into 5 little small egg bite containers. We're going to start off with the shrimp and work our way to the peppers and bacon and cheese, and then pour in the eggs. try to not overdo it when filling in the items because we still need to pour in the eggs. Alright, now we're going to pour in the eggs, and slow and steady is the key to it. You can see here I made it a little oopsie and spilled a little bit of eggs on the side, but it's okay. Alright, next we're going to add a little bit of water to the sous vide cooker. We don't have to fill the container, but just enough. Next, we're going to place each of our containers into the sous vide cooker. Now we're going to close the lid. And now, next, we're going to set the timer to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we're going to open the lid and here we are, our shrimp and bacon sous vide egg bites.